Most window and door warranties sound pretty impressive at first. Lifetime this, limited that, 20 years on the glass. And honestly, that all sounds great. But there is one critical question homeowners often overlook until it's too late. If a covered part needs to be fixed 5 or 10 years from now, who's actually paying for the labor to get that done? At Joyland, we believe you should never have to meet that kind of fine print after the project is already finished. To understand why this matters, you have to look at the two separate layers of protection. First, there's the manufacturer's product warranty. That covers the physical window or door itself, the parts that make up the actual product. The second layer is the workmanship warranty. That comes from the installer. This covers the installation itself. Was the window installed correctly? Was the door sealed properly? Those two separate warranties are not the same thing. And in a lot of cases, they do not last the same amount of time. The product may still be covered by the manufacturer, but the labor to fix or replace that product may not and usually is not covered by the installer anymore. And that is a very important difference. When we researched other window and door warranties in our area, we found that the labor coverage can vary a lot. Some companies offer shorter labor coverage, some offer longer. So let's say that a glass seal fails in 5 or 10 years after installation. That usually isn't covered by a workmanship warranty because there was no workmanship defect, right? It was a manufacturing defect. So what you get is the manufacturer will give you a new glass unit for free, probably, hopefully, because their warranty is still valid. But the person who installed it is going to charge you to actually come and swap that glass out. You're paying for the product to be replaced by the original installer because their workmanship warranty doesn't cover a product failure. So suddenly, that big warranty headline that you were sold feels a lot smaller than it did during the original sales pitch. And so warranty language can start feeling like it was written by people who looked at plain English and said,
"Let's make this weird and hard to understand."
Here's the Joyland difference you need to know about. For ProVia and Andersen products installed by my team, our limited labor warranty is tied directly to the manufacturer's warranty period for that specific product. That means that if there's a workmanship defect during the manufacturer's warranty period, we provide the labor at no cost to make it right if it's our fault. But we even go further than that. If the product itself has an issue that is covered by the manufacturer, like a seal failure or a hardware defect, Joyland also covers the labor to repair or replace that part. And as far as I know, Joyland is the only company in the industry to cover not only our workmanship, but actually to cover workmanship for manufacturing product defects also. Like any warranty, there are still some rules. The issue needs to be reported within 30 days. The manufacturer's warranty still has to be active, and the problem cannot be caused by misuse, abuse, improper maintenance. So our labor matches the manufacturer's warranty and goes so as far as that does. So if their product warranty prorates over time, our labor of course would prorate along with that. If it's a full coverage the whole way through, labor coverage would be the whole way through as well. That is important because windows and doors are not just decorations. They are part of your home's protection system. So, why choose Joyland Windows and Doors? Because our limited labor warranty follows the manufacturer's warranty period for ProVia and Andersen products installed by my team. That means we're not just selling you a window or door. We are providing a complete installation that we stand behind, and the warranty should actually pull its own weight. That is the Joyland way.